Hello, today we are going to see the example of uh, exploratory data analysis. So first we load the library in the R programming. Here is the I am using R Studio. First ggplot, schema and deployer. So ggplot package is for the data visualization and plotting the graphs and the maps, and the deployer and schemer package for the data manipulation, handling and wrangling, etc. So first we need to load the packages. So click the control plus shift plus enter to run the whole chunk. So I press, so it's loading. So all the packages are loaded, so we can move further. So next step, we need to require a data set to explore it. First we use diamond dataset, which is inbuilt data in the ggplot package. So I run this program, control plus enter. So I can see, or we can see the description about diamond dataset here. Prices over 50,000 round cut diamonds here, and their description are shown here. There you can see their various variable like price in US dollar, carat means weight of the diamond, cut quantity of the cut, color means diamond color, D is the best, J is the worst, quality fair, good, premium, ideal is the highest quality, and clarity I1 worst, SI is to X is the length, 0 to 10.74, Y is the width in mm, Z is the depth in mm, 0 to 31.8. Here are some formula. So let's get run the next line. View, we use view function to view the data sets. So press control enter. Error, could not be function view, control enter. Control enter. So what is the problem? View function is not running. In view diamond could not be function view. Diamonds are running. Diamonds, so no, there is some error. So I skip this line. So head function shows the first 6 data in the data set. So I run this. So here given carat, cut, color, clarity, depth, table, price, XYZ. These are the variables of diamond dataset. Carat is integer numeric. Cut is categorical data. Tail shows the last six rows are data in the data set. So I run this 0.7 to cut premium ideal good, very good, premium ideal, color DD. So you can see here. So glimpse is the glimpse summary string scheme. These are the useful function for summarize the data. So let's run this. These are the inbuilt function in these three functions. So run the glimpse. What is so it show the row total number of rows, number of column, their variable, their values are given in this program. We run next line summary diamond. So here you can see it summarizes the data: caret, minimum value, first quarter value, median, mean, maximum value, color, price, fair, fair, number of fair quality diamond here are 1610, 1610, sorry. Here string are also for summarizing data. Control enter, it shows row into column, 53,940 into 10 column, and here are the variables available in the diamond dataset. So schema next function is schema. So data summary name diamond, number of rows 53,940, number of column is 10, column type frequency factors 3, numeric 7 factors means group of numeric and character data. So here further details are described. Here character is cut, color, variable type factor, and cut color clarity. So hence given it's missing number of missing data 0, complete rate 1 means 100, ordered or not true, unique, what is the number of uniqueness 5, 7, 8. So let's move on the uh, numeric data. Here are total 7 numeric data: caret, depth, table, price, missing data 0 in the all variable, complete rate 11111 means 100, their mean of the data set is standard deviation 0 percentile, 25 percentile, 50 percentile means its median, P75, P100. So let's move on the next code. This is it is diamond. It is called pipe conveyor, percent more than percent. So when we use pipe conveyor, we do not need to return like diamond dollar and the variables like that. So here we count the number of cut quality in the diamond data set table. So let's run this table, control plus enter. So here fair number of diamonds 1610, 4906, 12,000, 20, 82, 13,791, and uniqueness we can check ideal, premium, good, very good. So ideal is the highest quality of diamond. So let's move in visualization of the data. So first type ggplot, and then in the bracket we take the data set data equal to diamond plus geometry, geom, it's written in short form, geom, bar means bar chart, mapping, statics means static अक्ष, x equal to cut, means cut is drawn cut is drawn in x-axis, and the number of count of cut is shown in y-axis. So let's run this again. It shows the bar chart. Fair, good, very good, premium, ideal, fair. Here it's around 1500. Good, it is around 5000. So from this graph, the count of the quality of the diamond is not clearly visible, so we can run another program, table control plus enter. So the pair with the I1 is what? Clarity. I1 is 2010. Got clarity. So here number are given. Diamond, pipe conveyor, count, cut, clarity, pipe conveyor arranged according to the number, according to their number. So the next ggplot diamond dataset statics x equal to cut shows in x-axis, fill equal to clarity. Fill means clarity is filled with the x-axis, and then geom bar position equal to dose matlab means the bar chart are colorful, and fill means the bar chart are colorful with the clarity variable, and position dose means each bar for each every bar available for the each variable. So the output is like this: fair, good, very good, and dark blue is the I1 clarity, so its number we can see. And the next code is same, we adding just quad flip, this flip the axis in x into y. So here you can see that bar chart are plotting y axis. So quad flip function is used for flipation of its coordination. ggplot position field, it's filled in like a square, and while a proportion for its percentage 0, 25%, 50%, 75%, and so on. Here codes which removed. I don't know what is the reason. Let's run this. We use facet wrap for the different bar chart, separate bar chart in a different section. So you can see here. Let's move on the ggplot for the continuous variable like numeric integer. ggplot in bracket diamond dataset geom histogram is like a bar chart. Static x shown in x-axis bandwidth 0.1. Bandwidth 0.1 means the value of the bar 10 bar are shown in one scale. 0.1 means. So let's move on covariation categorical data versus continuous data. So ggplot diamond data set static x is equal to cut in y axis price. Geom box plot, we here use box plot. Coordination flip means coordination are flipped. X are in y axis and y are in x axis. Here another type of function, geom tiles statics fill n according fill equal to n. N means their number of what the number are present of that diamond. So here geom tile are used. Count color cut, count function used for counting the number of color and cut. ggplot geom tile static fill equal to n means it is filled according to their number. So fair, good, very good, premium, ideal. Here number are given 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 and 5000 up to 1000. This is fair 1000 number. Here you can see ggplot geom point caret graph between caret and price. We use geom point chart, geometry point. It's given in points, different points, graph between caret and price. So here we can see, for clearly we can use more clear, we can use alpha 1/10, so it reduces its darkness. So this is the exploratory data analysis of diamond. We can extract the conclusion from these charts and graphs. So let's see the graphs again. So here we can see that ideal type of quality data diamond is more number are available. Here same type of chart, count. So here we can see very good. From here we can see if the carat means what, weight of the diamond is increases, the price of the diamond also increases, and if the cut means quality increases of the diamond, the price of diamond is also increases. So this conclusion we can extract in the last of the data analysis. Thank you.